In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Restream chat theme. So as you can see currently, this is my Restream chat theme, and now I will show you how to easily change it. To change your Restream chat theme, you have to come to Restream chat dashboard, and the link we can see chat.restream.io/chat. And here make sure you have signed into your Restream account. And now to change your chat theme, click on settings, click on appearance. In here you have to go to embed in stream section, and here we can see my current chat preview. Now click on this theme drop down, and here you get lots of theme. You can just go ahead and easily change your Restream theme from here, just like this. Also, you can adjust message alignment, you can adjust message background opacity, you can adjust chat background opacity and your text scale or size. So once you're happy, you can just copy the chat embed code for Twitch by clicking on copy next to Twitch, or you can just click on this copy under embed chat. And after that, I'm going back to my Restream studio and just starting a live stream from Restream to my Twitch account. And once the live started, I'm going back to my OBS, and under sources, clicking on this plus icon, selecting browser, and let's add our Restream chat link in here, clicking on OK. And we can see the chat added. Now I'm going back to my Twitch account, and from Twitch I'm going to send some random messages to show you my current chat theme. So here's my chat panel. Let's send some random messages from here, and then I'm going back to my OBS, and here we can see I've successfully changed my Restream chat theme. Thanks for watching.